Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool product right here. As you can see, it's by the brand called Buffalo, and it is a stainless steel food container or a liquid container. So first thing first, let me actually open up and show us what it looks like, and then talk about the product. So right out the bat, when you open the package, this is what you get inside. The color that they have is white and pink, and you guys can see right here is a pink, and it's pretty much a very basic design overall. As you guys can see. You guys can definitely hear the quality of the product, but when you guys open the product, that's where the money talks. So if you guys can see, it's all stainless steel inside, and if you guys can see, the vacuum seal is actually really nice, where it actually will prevent it from slipping and dripping, and kind of like a leak-proof kind of material. And if you guys remember, in my past video, I showed you guys and explained to you guys, if you guys put the product into your ear, you guys can hear like an echo, or it's kind of like a shell kind of experience. And if you guys hear that, you guys know that the product is really nice and it's actually insulated. But if you guys don't hear that like echo kind of like wavy noise coming out of the product, then it's not an insulated product, and it's probably a cheap product that is like a fake in a way. But first thing first, let me actually hear myself to see whether or not that is the case for this product or not. So when you put it in here, you guys can hear like a wave or like kind of echo on it, and when I'm speaking right now, I can definitely hear it as well. So that's how you guys know that this product is a actual insulated and really nice stainless steel material that will actually keep your food warm. And if it doesn't keep you warm to the point where you guys want it to be, another technique that I mentioned in my past video is that you guys want to put hot liquid or hot water in here, so that we can warm up the product first before you guys put your actual liquid, your food, or whatever the case may be you guys want to put in here. But for this product in particular, it costs around $49 on original price, but I actually got this for a gift, and they actually gave me a really nice discount, which is around $19. And for $19, I have to say that it's actually really worth it, because of the fact that I actually own and use a lot of different products that's by Buffalo, and their product is actually really good, because the stainless steel lasts for a really long time. So I have like a wok, and I have like a rice cooker, and I actually have like the wok turner that I can actually stir fry stuff with. And all those are amazing to the point where it actually lasts me for over 10 years, and I've been using it really nice. So Buffalo actually makes really good quality products. A lot of times you won't actually find them on Amazon, but there are stuff that are on Amazon. But if you guys want to buy any of this product, then I'll put the links in the description box down below, so that way you guys can go check it out. But it's better to buy it in store, because you're getting a better deal than online. So every time when I went to the store, there's actually a cheaper price in store, probably because of the fact that you guys can actually pick up in store instead of having it delivered to you. So that way you guys saving money and saving their money as well on like the shipping and handling fees and all that stuff. And you guys will be able to find any of the closest location to you in the description box down below. But pretty much, long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it for $19, I'd say that it's actually really worth it, because you're paying for a quality product. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing and testing and feedback of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have